Hey guys, here I'm going to show you how I made this creme brulee that I made for my parents' 26th anniversary dinner. First, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a microwave-safe bowl, I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Taking 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Then I'm going to whisk the sugar and heavy whipping cream until well combined. Then you want to microwave the bowl until the mixture is warmed up. And I did 1:30, but it came out too hot, so I had to cool it down a bit, so I would say 1:15 seconds. After microwaving the mixture, you just want to whisk everything together again. Now I'm going to separate 3 eggs, and I'm going to put the 3 yolks into the mixture and whisk it together. Since the vanilla extract came out too fast, I ended up putting in ½ teaspoon, although the recipe calls for 1/4. And again, you want to whisk the mixture. Then I'm going to pour my mixture into a ramekin or any other oven-safe dish. To prepare my roasting pan, I'm going to boil some water. Now I'm going to put my ramekin into a baking tin, which will act as the roasting pan. Taking the hot water, I'm going to fill the pan until the water reaches halfway up the ramekin. Once the oven is preheated, I'm going to put the pan in the oven. And I'm going to bake the creme brulee for 50 minutes. This is what the creme brulee looks like when it's taken out of the oven, and it should still be slightly jiggly. Now I put the ramekin in a pan that was at room temperature, and I'm going to put this all in the fridge for around 2 hours. You can either serve it like this straight out of the fridge, or you can make a sugar coating topping by putting sugar at the top and melting it with a torch.